Hello guys, welcome to um latest video. I'm going to be like showcasing some crazy builds. Like sometimes I always do, yeah. Like that van I made in Build a Boat. Well, this is even crazier, yo. What the hell is this? You might be insane. Because what are these generators doing and all of that? Well, this is a tornado siren. Yeah, pretty obvious because it has the flashing light and tornado siren. You can see even. But there is shock absorbent to absorb shock, which is pretty cool. You can hear this from miles away, like 5 miles at least, like infinity miles away. I'm so right. So, Hoka has been wanting to collab. But anyway, I've got this vehicle. Yes, vehicle. I can barely even start it. Never mind. This is built just just to test um how fast. It's just that your tester I can't give you infinity stuff. It's not loading you. Can't give out infinite stuff. Well, let me show you how it works. Generator, link control, that's how I made this. This generator powers this, and then this is going to connect to this, which is also going to move this, making it move. And we also have lights. Lights, camera, and action. To see from very far away. By the way, please put the volume a bit lower because it's very loud. I'm ready. So it's on. Okay, Focus just sitting there. I'm going to drive away. This is very powerful. You still hear it. You can see it from far away. Okay, turn on the light. The lights are turned off. Oh. Yeah, it works. Okay, I got it.
Хорошо основательно и сотрудничестве с моими друзьями. И все приятно приятно.
Holy. What is this?
This audio was made by Losty.
So yes, it's very clear for y'all. It's easy to make. If this video, I'm making video once. I'm gonna just face away. There we go. So you see, yeah, no copyrights. But we're not gonna get a copyright strike. If I get 3 copyright strikes, my channel's gone. I just noticed that because my channel already has 2 copyright strikes, and if I keep up with this copyright, I'm cooked. Says to say that my videos will be gone, and me. Let's see how much copyright strikes I have. I have I got hit with 3 times with some copyright strikes. The unbeatable kick unless if you have a big hack. I will send out a tutorial on how to make this. And I will send the tutorial out for 50 likes. I'm going to on stream after this stopping the video. I have tested this. Very easy to make. Hold on. What is this? Hopefully you're not showing any cake and bus. Sneak peek. A leak. What we're gonna do next. A cake and a bus. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Say bye bye.